Hari Babu Podepuri, who's the MD and Group CEO of Viyash Scientific. Hello, Mr. Podepuri. Thank you so much for joining us today. Sir, your results seem to be, in the pink of health right now. This is post the merger as well. Talk to us about your revenue and your PAT performance, which has been good this time around. Also, what were the levers of growth here?
So, good afternoon, Ankita. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. So, as you rightly mentioned, this is the first combined quarter results. In fact, whatever we initiate actions last couple of quarters, it's a combined entity. It's shown a drastic EBITDA margin improvement. Revenues, of course, grown by 10%. And most important, EBITDA grown by 64% quarter on quarter. And most important, if you see the quarter on quarter last 6-8 quarters, margins are improving consistently, where we were at 14% combined 4 quarters back. Today we reached to 20+ percentage sustainable growth. So the main actions, a few things, of course, always we focused on the margins, cost improvement, process improvement, network optimization. Of course, new products is the key area for all of us. So these are the few areas it's improved a lot, especially animal health, whatever we initiated 4 quarters back. Few markets like Spain, it's performing very strongly. The two reasons, one is domestic business, Spain is expanding a lot. We improved our field force, of course. Then geo expansion for Spain. And the emerging markets like Turkey, we have grown almost 20% volume growth this year. That's a substantial difference from previous years. And we started expanding export from Turkey to other markets. That's shown the growth.
Right. Sir, we are completely out of time, but I have a quick question for you. That you spoke about the incremental margin improvement that you're seeing. Firstly, do you see that those margins to sustain? What is your margin projection? And also, like you mentioned, there has been a drastic improvement in the volume. The growth has been led by volume improvement. Where do you see that volumes? What would be your projection for the volumes as well?
So margins, if you say last 2 quarters, we reached 20+, and these margins are sustainable. And growth, now growth is coming on few areas. One is companion animals. That's a very large focus area next 2 to 3 years. You must have seen recent our announcement about partnership with BI. It's one of the innovator companies, strong companion animal health company. That's how we are going to expand market in India. So there are large number of products. I think this is the base where we can expand strongly in India, companion animals, which is the large growing market. And also we are looking at a couple of Europe markets to grow the companion animals. That's one of the growing area, of course.
Right. Mr. Podepuri, thank you so much. I'm sorry for interjecting. We are completely timed out in this discussion. But thank you so much for joining us on ET Now. And well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Commodity Central. We'll see you next week. Thank you so much for joining us.